Welcome to Marketing Your Business Online. This is part 4 of 4, tracking and measuring your results. My name is Sherry Papson, and I'll be your facilitator. This course is brought to you by the Burien Economic Development Group in support of Shop Local Burien. This is our online marketplace where residents and visitors can find, shop, and support Burien businesses. If you have an existing business and haven't created a business profile yet, you can do that here at www.shoplocalburien.com. It only takes 5 minutes, and all you need is your logo and description. The final step in managing your social media marketing plan is to measure the success of your campaigns. Tracking the results of your social media activity helps to identify what works and what doesn't work, and should guide you on where you should tweak your strategy. This graphic shows examples of types of metrics, what gets measured, and the objective for tracking this data. All metrics should track back to your marketing strategy and business goals. There is no right or wrong way to track your social media performance, but it is an important step so that you can identify what may not be working and make adjustments quickly. There are countless things to track on your social media channels. This is a list that includes some of the more popular metrics. The importance of these metrics will vary depending on the type of content you're producing and promoting. Generally speaking, engagement, reach, followers, and profile visits will be important data points for most small businesses. These metrics will be an indicator if your content is relevant, you're gaining new audience members, and if there's action taken to get more information about your brand's products or services. As you start tracking your metrics, make sure to keep a scorecard to measure your progress. It's also a good idea to track how much traffic your social accounts drive to your website or blog. Be sure to choose metrics that are easy to gather, because if it's too time-consuming to track, you'll fall off the wagon. Also, don't expect results overnight. Social media marketing requires some patience to start seeing the results of your hard work. Social media platforms offer tools to help businesses track analytics. Using Meta Business Insights can help you understand results of your organic and paid social media efforts across Facebook and Instagram. As someone who runs a small business, your time and resources are precious. In order to make the most of your posts, stories, and ads, you need to see how they perform, so you can create more of the types of content that work. Insights in Meta Business Suite enable you to see how your content performs, track key trends, and learn more about your audience and customers. On the Overview dashboard, you can see visual representations of your goals, results from content posts, and engagement growth. You'll also be able to set new goals, and Meta provides helpful tips to increase your results. The Audience tab allows you to learn more about the characteristics of your audience. Uncover information about your potential audience to help you adjust your strategies to reach more people. The Content tab shows you all in one place how each individual post and story performs. Sort by Facebook posts and stories, Instagram posts and stories to see which content type on which app delivers more engagement. Reports can be a useful way to track performance and share results with employees and partners. Meta provides reporting options on both current and potential audience information, including age and gender, reach, likes and reactions, comments and shares, cost per result, and link clicks. You can also export the report to use for deeper analysis. Meta Ads Manager lets you see the results related to your campaigns. You can also customize the way your results appear to show the metrics that matter most. Metrics you'll want to pay close attention to will be cost per ad, based on number of people the ad reached and number of clicks on the ad. If you are managing to a budget, this data will provide insights on how much you can expect to spend to get a specific type of result. If the results you're looking for become too expensive, you may need to focus more on organic social advertising and be patient with the results. Setting goals can help you sharpen your content and advertising strategies to achieve a specific outcome. With insights in Meta Business Suite, you can set a goal, track progress, and learn helpful tips for your business's success. Keep in mind that Meta Insights will provide a different view and a variation of data on desktop versus the mobile app. Some features and functions may not be available on both apps. Experiment with both and get to know what data each delivers. You'll likely learn to use both options under different circumstances. TikTok, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and most other platforms will provide analytics to track content results, ads, conversions, and engagement. Whichever platform you decide to include in your social media strategy, make sure to familiarize yourself with the reporting and analytics functions so you can stay on top of your campaign's successes and make adjustments when necessary. There are also services that will gather data across platforms and pull it into a custom dashboard to allow you to see results in one place. These will generally require a paid subscription, but could save you time in visiting each platform, running individual reports, and then combining manually. This is a very simple example of a template that you can easily create to track your results. You can also create simple templates for your overall strategy, goals, and content schedule. This will help you stay organized, efficient, and effective at executing your plan. Here's a brief list of some resources that can help you with establishing and managing your social media plan. Some of these resources have free services with limited features and also allow you to upgrade the subscriptions to get more access. This concludes part 4. Thank you for participating in the Marketing Your Business online video series. We hope this series has provided you with the information you need to create and manage a social media plan for your small business.